Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how to do a reset on a 2019 Nissan Murano. I'm going to show you. I changed the oil. The oil went first. I opened this, and then underneath there's a screw right underneath here under the car, a black screw. It's a 40 millimeter. I opened it, I let it sit for 20-30 minutes. Everything came out. As you can see, I changed it. And now I'm gonna close it up. And then there's like to check the oil gauge. Um, you know, this car has, you see, this is it's full. And it said to put 5 gallon point 10, but I only put 5 gallon and it was enough. As you can see, it's very uncomfortable when you take this out. You have to be careful. Make sure the engine is cold, because otherwise it's gonna be hot in here. You see, look, it's very uncomfortable the way they designed this. That fork, it comes out a little bit. That's normal. That's the way they have it set up. You see, that's the setup. Look, it comes out a little bit so you can pull it out. But when the engine is hot, everything is boiling, so you have to be careful. So now I'm going to show you how to do the reset. This is my wife's car. As you can see, right now the car is off. I'm going to start it. The keys inside, and I'm going to show you. Close the door. Put the seatbelt on. I put the seatbelt on so there's no noise. And then you'll see, look, I have it right here. I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna shut off the radio. Okay. You're gonna press this OK button right here. You see it once. It says oil filter. Again, press it. Maintenance. See, maintenance. Oil filter. You press OK. It was just working. Oil filter. Okay, here, setting. Once you see oil filter, then you're gonna see setting. Then you're gonna press OK. Press OK. Scroll down to maintenance. See? Maintenance. This is a 2019 Nissan Murano. Look, you scroll down, maintenance. Maintenance. You press maintenance. See? And then it comes to oil and filter. Oil and filter, you see that? You press OK again. And then it tells you the miles you went over. You see? This is for 6,000 miles. Now you scroll down. Scroll down, you see? Look. And now when you scroll down, you come to reset button. See the reset button? You press again OK. Then it asks you, see, it asks, do you want to confirm the reset, cancel, or yes? You scroll up. Confirm reset. You see? confirm reset, it was on cancel. And then I brought it down to yes, meaning confirm the reset. See? Boom. Now I'm gonna click on it again. Yes. Now it's at reset. 0 miles. See? Reset. Confirm reset. Yes. That's it. Exit. See? Now there's nothing. It's done. And the next thing we need to do in this car is change the tires. And the way you do that, if you want to know, it's also easy. Press OK. Or you can go. It's not allowing me to do that, probably because of the maintenance. Let's try again. No. No. Let's go to setting again. See, setting. Press OK. Maintenance again. See, maintenance. Click maintenance. You see over here it says tires. If you want, you can change the reset the tires, but there's no need right now. So we're gonna exit. So you guys understand? It's very, very easy, very simple. If you have any questions, you can comment below. This is the Benny Ash vlog, Benny Ashurov, bringing to you updated videos every day. The way you go back, you click on this. Anybody could do this. 2019 Nissan Murano SV. Simple, easy. Don't forget to like. Okay, guys, welcome back. I just want to say, don't forget to like on the bottom, subscribe, share, view. Anybody who has a Nissan 2019, they need to do a reset. Share this with them. This will help them. You can do the oil change yourself. It's 15-20 minutes. 20 minutes to cool off the engine, and another 15 minutes you can put the car on the curb like I did. Put a couple of brakes, and that's it. You don't need nothing else. It's easy peasy Japanesey. Thank you guys. Until next video. Bye bye.